It's morning, great night's sleep. Really well rested now, feel great. Gonna make some coffee. We bought this from Camila yesterday from the Narco store. So we're gonna try it out. It's apparently from Medellin. And speaking of Medellin coffee, that's what we're doing today. We're going to a coffee plantation to see from farm to cup, the whole process of it and why Colombian coffee is so popular. That's our agenda for today. It's actually Christmas Eve. So yeah, Bravo. We're gonna go see basically the square full of like 3,000 plus lights that they put together. No, 30,000, yeah, not 3,000. Can't wait to check it out, but first, coffee. Tina and I are currently walking to the meetup place for coffee plantation. So it's pretty hectic in this area, but pretty exciting. This is the evolution of the tram system. Did you see this shit? That's a woman carrying a man. Right now we're going on the cable car. It's really nice. Also part, they make like a free urban gym, and here like a playground for kids. The idea is that people can meet, you know? Yeah, this is beautiful. This is nuts. And it's all you know. And you cannot go down to the city. Nobody comes up. Right now we're deep in the town. I can't like videotape too much because they want us to be like more respectful to the people. Like I'm not just taking videos or anything. Plus, don't want to get jacked. So right now, I'm gonna keep it a little low, but still a lot of fun. Here we have patacones. And new coffee. That's the coffee farm we're going to. 1 hectare. Look there. Behind there's a really old house. This was the traditional house of the old hacienda. And this went all the mountain down where we saw the first coffee plants. This was part of this. Damn! Everything. Wow. All of it? Everything. When the price of the coffee went really down, like in the 1900s, for the big haciendas it was a big problem because they had like big losses. Oh, I see. So they were selling a lot of parts. They were just dividing the whole area into little farms. You know? I see. The idea is first to connect the neighborhood with the countryside. You know? Oh, I see. Those farmers, they never went to this neighborhood. Yeah. They're still not going really there, you know? And those guys, they never went to the countryside. So they still don't go so much there. Yeah. But, hey, look, this is a fruit. Actually, it's a cherry. Cherry? Coffee cherry. Wow. But we toast and drink the seed. Yeah. You know? So he saw that his goats, they are eating this and they're really active. You know, they're really active. So he tries them. Open it. Oh damn! I thought I got it. Suck up the. Do I eat the seed or do you just? You can eat it also. Look if you want. Open it a little bit. Okay. Open it a little bit. Take the skin off and eat it. It doesn't taste like coffee. It's sweet. It's just the seed of the fruit. So this is the coffee. This is the bean. All right, we made it to the coffee farm. Yeah, like it's so weird that Medellin is right there and this exists just at the top. Like you take a metro, you take a cable car, you walk up a few streets and boom, coffee like 200-year-old coffee farm. They are building at the moment. I see. So they have another house down there, but the owner, he's at the moment traveling. What is this? This is crazy. Oh, pero.
Hello, puppy. Perros. Oh, okay, so this is the old house that
It's the old original house.
How old is this house? 200?
Yeah.
Damn. How long has this coffee farm been here for again?
Look, in 1800, coffee came to Colombia, and here like in 1830.
Okay, so 30 years after it came in.
Yes, more or less.
Styling. Ken and I got our ponchos, sombreros, our cocos, the baskets. We're gonna go.
What the basket's called?
What do you? I thought you said it was cocoa. He called it.
No.
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 What is it?
I don't know, but it wasn't cocoa. It definitely was not cocoa.
Damn. Okay, well, this basket that I'll find out what the name is. ¿Cómo se dice este?
Canasta.
Canasta. See?
Oh, okay.
I win. I win. See?
Old tree, you know,
organisms.
with a lot of insects in. So they collect this here, they protect it, and then they mix it
And the
with
compost.
the earth. They want a really, really good compost, you know. They want to have life inside of the compost, and everything in the farm will be reused. There's no waste. If you cut some grass, you throw it in. There are some skins of coffee, of coffee beans. You put them in. You don't throw anything away. It's a whole life cycle.
Y lo introducimos.
Always two, huh? Yeah.
So seed 3 months.
Then you see every month there's coming. They say chapola or mariposa, butterfly.
Butterfly.
Huh? So this is 1 month, huh?
So that suckling finally comes through.
Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months.
Oh, they count. It's like the tree rings, but instead
Yes,
of leaves.
exactly.
Wow. So it does have to be shaded as like a little sapling.
Yeah, I mean, depends always where you are, you know.
Yeah.
The climate, but this protected. This, you're sure that your coffee plant will grow.
Yeah.
Ellos, que una distancia de unos 50 a unos 60 los llevamos nosotros.
Okay. He says like
Centímetros.
1.50 meters, 1.60 meters, so 1.5 more or less.
A los 18 meses. 18 meses ya habiendo cabecito. O sea, empieza a producir el
So this is
procedemos a quitar el suyo al café.
He's gonna open this up. He's gonna plant this boy. 18 months later, he could get his first coffee bean from the tree.
Plancitas. Y lo plantamos.
Plantanos.
Damos tierrita. Vamos plantando. Este arbolito aquí como está sembrado, esperamos 18 meses para que nos dé fruto. Vea, usted mira un árbol de estos. Y tiene de todos los, tiene flores, tiene cabello pequeño, más grandecito.
¿Este tiene que cuántos años?
Esto tiene, ahí donde está, va a usar 4 años.
4 years?
4 years more or less, yeah.
So this is a 4-year-old tree. This guy just got planted in.
We will just follow him. We will go in, and then you can move free wherever you want and pick coffee.
Pick coffee, okay.
Be careful when you go down.
Got it. Oh shit.
So in here we pick only. This is the first selection. We pick the red ones and the black ones. The green ones not, for sure not.
Not
So
right.
after we make a next selection, you know, you will see we have different selections, and this makes like this gives you a really good quality of the coffee cup.
So it's all in the bean.
Yes, from this bro.
Sick. This is a pro doing it. He's just ripping it up. He's shredding the nard.
Y yo lo cojo así. Y yo no cojo el verde, se dirán.
He does this for 8 to 10 hours.
So this juice will go into the bean, and it's more sweet, the coffee. This will be the washed one. This is like the most commercial one.
I see.
Most traditional one.
So there's no skin, there's no
you
shell.
take the skin off with this. So
Ahí el que está,
this is the next selection step, huh?
la selección. El que está malo, el que es pasilla, que no sirve flota.
They're bad.
Se queda en el aire. Dale, ahí va saliendo.
This is
Yeah, you can just take them out and put them in there.
this is a group of bad ones.
Exactamente.
I want to take a handful of. So these guys, these are good quality. These are the ones you want. High quality, making
So,
a dam
and this,
with the
let's
water.
just put them in here.
He just dumped all of the coffee
And-
that we just got right in here. And there's gonna be a churning
Want
process.
to work?
Oh wow!
What the? It just shells them?
Ah,
Échale.
You've been holding out. You're wearing the wire.
Shelling them?
Yeah, taking
Yes, you take the skin off.
Not
to get this.
This is el lavado.
Take the skin off and they leave it again for 24 hours.
It smells like beer, like a wine almost.
Yeah, look, a fermentation process will always create sugar,
Yeah.
you know? So it's more sweeter, more wine-ish.
Here's Tina churning away. All right, now we're going into the, I guess the little area where they dry all the seeds.
So,
Ah,
so you see, it's important to have these beds, huh? Important is air is coming through and it's protected from the rain, and because of the plastic, the sun is not so strong, so
I see.
it's a slow process.
the dried.
Dried, washed coffee.
Do these taste weird?
Sorry?
Do these taste? Can you eat these?
But look,
They're not gonna be.
no.
Lo pelamos aquí con la mano.
Oh, that's the.
So he's looking if this is now really dry or not. He's doing the process with the hand,
Y cada almendra.
and he just has like the almond, he says.
Ah.
You know.
Ya está seco.
So this is the coffee bean we will roast later.
So that's the bean.
Yes.
That's the.
Color cemento lo llamamos.
So with this process, doing it by hand, he sees, okay, this is now dry. Yeah? I can give it down to roasted.
This one still has skin on it.
Yes.
So this is gonna be a different type
So
of
when
flavor.
when this is dry, they take the skin off and go on with the process.
So that was the last process here on the farm, and now we're gonna get our stuff and then do a coffee ceremony. We're gonna get something to eat first because we have to do that walk all over again. We got it by the day.
There's a juice. Do you just want it?
Yeah, I'll take. We're back at the cable line. We just finished Unos Ocho, and now we're gonna go and check out this coffee. We're gonna taste all the stuff that we've done. Ooh.
North,
South.
yeah, and you are here around, huh?
Okay.
So it just crosses the whole city. And if you're in San Antonio, you have a crossing point. This is from east to west,
Simple.
you know? And
North to
we,
south.
at the moment, we are here.
I see. Las Torres, and then we went to Orient. Yeah, so
Yeah,
we're right here.
We went to here.
And we're gonna go to San
We
Antonio.
go to San Antonio.
Got it.
And these
I saw it at the airport.
here is like you see the meeting point for
We are currently in Parque Bolivar because of this guy right here, Bolivar, who freed the Colombian people.
Ellos hablan un poquito de
Un
español
poquito.
y él habla bien español. Pero de todos modos yo voy a traducir.
Our first experiences were smelling the coffee. My hair is making the process.
In handmade cups from a little town near here, and the chocolate is also like an artisanal chocolate, and he always says like the chocolate is the best friend of the coffee. So look, a lot of
Just had the coffee ritual, and my man here helped us out. He taught us all about the cool coffees, different types, different tastes and textures. Tina and I just finished the coffee tour. It was fantastic. It was such a good, informative experience, and we made friends with Daniel and Ahmed. I mean, it was great. We went through the whole ritual. Now we're in Parque Bolivar. This is like a very big spot. Narcos, don't say it, but Pablo Escobar and his cousin is that right here.
Todos los putos días de mi vida, mi hermano.
We're just walking through town. Everything's really nicely decorated because it's Christmas Eve. And yeah, we're going back to the Airbnb. We're gonna get some food, So we're stocked up for tomorrow because everything will be closed since it's Christmas. But yeah, let's do that, and then we're gonna go to the Town of Lights. Tina and I made it to the supermercado. We're getting some food, especially for tomorrow, because they'll probably be all closed. So we're stocking up, and we'll do some stuff tomorrow. Yeah. So these are all the things that they have here at the market. A lot of potatoes, a lot of different vegetables. I can't find the mangosteens, but I will say I'm very proud of myself that I was able to order 2 pounds of pork belly with some difficulty, but I still got it done.
I got all the chips I like.
We just got back from the supermarket. That was a process.
We ate these in Costa Rica.
I gave them my credit card. They're like, "Where's your passport?" So luckily I had my copy, but they didn't do that for the last one. We got a bunch of food that we need for tomorrow, as I said, and now we got all these great foods. So we're gonna probably go to like botanical gardens, different things that are open, because apparently a lot of things will be closed since it is Christmas. But we're gonna go on an adventure. It'll be a lot less people, which will be nice, because that place was full, like non-stop sensation overload, like sensory overload. So it's gonna be nice to be able to just walk around the streets with not that many people. I got burnt today. Got a bad tank top tan, but hey, that's what happens. So I'm gonna go do some stuff tomorrow, but right now we're gonna eat and most likely either take public transportation or an Uber to Parque Norte to see all those lights. We also picked up beers and the aguardiente. I'm gonna freeze that up. Hopefully that doesn't taste too bad, but apparently it tastes like licorice. Right now we're gonna have a beer. This is our first drink of the entire trip. Alcoholic. Baracho? Salud. Tastes like beer.